Tired of leaving your customers hanging? Let's unlock the power of Autoreplies in Wati to keep your audience engaged. First, logged into your Wati account, you'll automatically land on the dashboard now. Navigate to the automation section located on the left navigation menu. Click on it to access the automation settings. Once you are in the automation tab, press the Add Rule button. This will create a new rule for your Autoreply, allowing you to tailor the auto response based on specific triggers. Give your rule a descriptive name, like after hours support. Next, specify the trigger keywords that would prompt this answer, such as when customers ask about inquiries after your support team has closed for the day. Then select the match type for trigger keywords. We want to select from the drop-down menu the option of Contains Now. Create your personalized response message. Make sure that customers feel supported and are given a time frame when the right support staff can reach them. Finally, hit the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an Autoreply in Wati. This simple automation will keep your customers informed and engaged, even when you're not immediately available.